Now a few more options are there to be implemented. The next one is division. So let me copy paste this one. Right click, copy. Here you can paste it. Now the division operator is forward slash. In the computer's monitor, I want the division symbol to come. So let me copy paste this one. And here the variable answer contains a divided by b. Now when you perform division, as you know, b should not be equal to 0. If b is 0, division is not possible. So before you perform this division and display the answer, one more if else here. If b not equal to 0, this is how you write not equal to in Python. Exclamatory mark and equal to sign is a not equal to operator in Python. If b not equal to 0, if denominator not equal to 0, you can perform division, you can store the answer, and the answer can be displayed in the computer's monitor. Otherwise, you should display the message division not possible. Print left arrow key, double quotes, left arrow key, denominator, denominator, denominator is 0. Print division not possible. Division not possible. Okay. Now run the program F5. So to get the division symbol, Alt 246, you will get the division symbol. Enter the first number 3. Enter the second number 2. 3 divided by 2, 1.5. Again Alt 246, division. Enter the first number 3. Enter the second number 0. Division not possible. Denominator 0. Division not possible. Okay. Now let me quit from the program. Let me go for the next one. Percentage remainder. So I think I can copy paste this one. Right click, copy, and here you can paste it. So if b not equal to 0, only then you can find the remainder. Okay, and to find remainder, a and b should be integers. Okay, it's better to go for integers. And b should not be equal to 0. If so, you can find a modulo b, and here you can write modulus, and here the answer will be displayed in the computer's monitor. It's not a decimal number, so no need to use the round function. Simply type answer. Otherwise, denominator is 0, remainder does not exist. Remainder does not exist. Okay. Now save your file, Control S, run the program. Let me go for remainder. Integers 3, 2. So when you divide 3 with 2, the remainder is 1. You can see the remainder is 1. Again, percentage 3, 0. Remainder does not exist. Let me quit from the program, Q. Now next one, E for exponent. Okay, so let me copy paste this, or it's better to go for this one. Let me copy paste this one. Right click, copy, here. So enter the base, and if you write a raised to b, a is known as base, b is known as exponent. Okay, so enter the base, enter the exponent. Now a raised to b is the answer, star star a raised to b, or you can write pow a comma b, both are there, both are correct. So here let me use the exponent operator a raised to b, and here let me use this symbol in the keyboard. Okay, so it should be read as a raised to b equals, and here the answer is displayed correct to 2 place of decimals. So save your file, Control S, run the program F5. Exponent, oh, I typed only capital E, I did not include small e. Okay, so 3, raised to 2. You can see 3 raised to 2 is equal to 9. Now let me go for small e also. Here only capital E is included. So or choice equal to small e. So now both options are there. Now the square root. So for square root you need to enter only one number. So anyway, let me copy paste this and I'll make the change. Okay, so for square root you need to enter only one number, square root of a. So here you can write enter the number. And here, how do you find the answer? To find square root, there is a function by the name sqrt. Within bracket you can pass the number. Now this is there in the math module, so it should be called as math dot square root. So answer contains square root of a, and here you can display the answer like this. Okay, square root of, this must be inside double quotes. Now comma square root of a equals answer. Okay, now I want the, so here this message comes square root of, here the value of a appear, now equal to sign will appear, and here the answer will come. I want the answer correct to 2 places of decimals, so this will not fit in this window, so let me use backward slash. Let me continue in the next line. Here you can write round answer comma 2. Okay, now you made use of math module. Do not forget to import the module. Okay, import math. Okay, now you can run the program F5. Okay, here if you put a comma, square root of a is equal to answer. Okay, the syntax is, here I did not put a comma. Okay, here square root of, this message appears, value of variable a appears, here the comma should come. Okay, so I did not do that. F5. Let me go for, oh, I included only capital S. Enter the number, maybe 14. Square root of 14 is equal to 3.74, because 4 into 4 is 16, so it is certainly 3.74. Now you quit from the program. Let me include small s also. Here small s also. So here or choice equal to small s. Okay. Now all the options are implemented. Wrong choice is also there. So now if you run the program, you can see if I enter at the rate, wrong choice. Such an option is not there. If I enter small s, yeah, enter the number 7. And what is square root of 7? 2.65. So all the options are implemented. Now you can exit from the program Q. So this is a simple Python program to implement 8 function calculator. So students, make it a point that you do the program in the computer and study. And when you do the program in the computer, if there is an error, you can always contact me. Now, when I corrected the last answer paper, this is one error that I frequently saw. See, many are not putting the 2 closing brackets. Usually students do like this. It's a mistake. How can you avoid that error? See, it should be typed like this. Evaluate, EVAL. Opening bracket, immediately put the closing bracket. Now to come inside, use the left arrow key. Input, opening bracket, immediately put the closing bracket, then left arrow key. Now double quotes, opening double quotes, immediately put the closing double quotes, left arrow key. Now here you can type enter the first number. So like this you need to type. So do the program in the computer and study. Writing and studying, reading and studying is not enough. Do it in the computer and study.